Lime is widely used in civil engineering, such as lime milk and mortar, slaked lime powder, or stone plaster, mixed with a lot of paint. Lime powder ball pressing machine is a type of equipment, divided according to the types of materials, mainly used to press difficult-to-form powder materials. Its main lime powder material powder, dry powder and other processing. Pressing effect is very obvious, good effect, and can obtain higher economic benefits. It is characterized by high forming pressure, adjustable revolution of the main engine, and screw feeding device. Widely used in lime powder ball, lime powder particles and other powder, waste slag, pressing molding work. Plant production line of lime powder ball, pressing machine cost saving. Simple operation, clear structure, easy to maintain.